Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to install this great and free adult app to your Fire TV Stick device. Without any further ado, let's see how you can set it up. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader, and there is a really high chance that you already have it on your device. So if that's the case, then just skip to the next part of the video. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you're not sure how to properly set it up, then watch this part of the video as well. So you can get Downloader for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search and start typing Downloader here. As you can see, it already popped out for me at the bottom, but if it didn't in your case, then just type in the whole name of the app, which is once again Downloader. Click on it, and here's the app which we need to download. But after we get the app, that's not it yet. We also have to set it up. Let's go to settings, My Fire TV, open developer options, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install unknown apps and make sure to enable that option for the downloader as well. But also there is a chance that if you use a newer Firestick or Fire TV Cube, the developer options might be missing for you. So if you open My Fire TV and cannot find the developer options anywhere, no need to panic. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and here you gotta click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see now at the bottom, for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you just go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options. So once again, enable ADB debugging and installation of unknown apps to the downloader. So what it does, it allows us to install other applications from the internet, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we got the downloader, it's set up and ready to use, but there's one more thing which I really recommend doing before actually using the downloader. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online. So your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online. And that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. After you got the VPN connected and safely set up, let's open the downloader. In here, we'll have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, it's 28907, and we press on go. Then a website is going to open, and we'll have to scroll down a bit until you see that list of categories. And what we gotta click here is of course, that option. You can see it on the screen. Then a whole list of different apps is going to open, and the one we're looking for today is this one. I'm not going to pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, but you see it on the screen, so click on it, and the new page is going to open. Also, if you see any ad here, make sure to click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So here is the new page, which you also have to scroll down. And keep scrolling until you see the download Fire TV/Android TV button. If it doesn't work for you in some case, just use the backup download link in that case. And now the download has started. You gotta click on install in the right bottom corner. And after the app is installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done. We are doing it this way so we could delete the unnecessary installation file, because we don't need it anymore, but it logs the memory of your Fire TV Stick device. So make sure to always delete those unnecessary installation files. click on delete and delete once again. And now the installation and setup is finished. If you go to the list of your apps, you will see the new Adult app in your library. But of course, make sure to use a VPN before actually accessing it. Good luck and enjoy.